All the way 100. All the way 100, baby, we back. It's immaculate choice, yes, the Mac. Burn rubber on the Sideshow. From 68 to 7 Deuce Cutlass or Buicks or whatever you riding like a Chevrolet, we burn rubber at the Sideshow. My motor dope, 350 boarded out. Burn rubber shift kit without a doubt. 350 intake motor. Shift kit or swing it around the corner.
To the max.
Yes, indeed. Big body rims on the fresh body paint. White top, black interior, maybe the cocaine. Whatever I do, baby, it's all in the game. Burn rubber at the Sideshow. Going out of town, looking like I'm burning nitro. All the way 100. We burning rubber in the old school. Burning rubber in the old school. Sideways to the next block. Sideways to the next block. We burning rubber in the old school. We burning rubber in the old school. Sideways to the next block. Sideways to the next block. I got a 350 with a shift kit in the transmission, man, I'm getting sideways. Yes, indeed, I'm looking buttery. Extremely looking buttery. Straight to the max. Rolling my old school with my hat tilted back. Slumping, of course. No remorse. Sideways in my old school. 68, young fool. No, it's not a foreign. I'd rather have my old school with the thumper. Feeling real good, yeah, I'm rolling this summer. Feeling like a nigga on top of his game. No need for me to try to act like I ain't game. My percentages of this bitch. Feeling real good, young nigga, hood rich. I gotta hop in my old school for the summertime, man. Yeah, I definitely gotta be in my old school, man, with the candy paint, man, on them big rims. I'm getting sideways to the next light. And my old school so tight. Swinging it, bitch, yes. Finger 8, bitch, yes. I roll with my steering wheel with one finger and I swing it. Burn rubber on this bitch. All the way 100. Yes, indeed, baby, we back again. It's immaculate choice, baby. Yes, tell a friend. We burn rubber at the Sideshow. Wherever I go, I hop in my old school. Burning rubbers like I'm living with no rules. Burn rubber at the Sideshow. 68 Cougar with the 68 motor. Looking like I'm from Boulder. The old school 90 Impala. Dual super sports hollering.
To the max.
That's what I'm yelling. All the way 100.